Forgotten username recovery failed on Goodbudget Fix. If you've been trying to recover your Goodbudget username and keep hitting roadblocks, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Goodbudget now uses your registered email for login instead of a traditional username. Guessing usernames rarely works and often just causes frustration. Here's the fix. Step 1. Open the Goodbudget app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. Goodbudget will use this to verify your identity securely. Step 2. If you don't have access to your registered email, you'll need to verify your identity. Have your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific details ready, like recent transactions. This ensures only the rightful account owner regains access. Step 3. Follow the prompts to reset your password once verification is complete. Check your spam or junk folder if the recovery email doesn't appear immediately. Step 4. If standard recovery fails, contact Goodbudget support directly. Explain your situation, provide the requested information, and their team will guide you safely through the recovery process. The surprising truth is that losing your username doesn't mean permanent lockout. Goodbudget switched to email-based login to simplify access and improve security. By following these steps, you'll regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email, verify your identity as needed, and you'll be back budgeting confidently on Goodbudget without stress.